Assalamualaikum and hello again everyone. We are now in video 4 of Introduction to Multimedia Technology. Video 4 is on development of multimedia technology and its future. I am Dr. Arifin, your lecturer. Okay, in this slide, you should be able to identify factors that lead to multimedia development and should be able also to investigate areas of research in multimedia. Now we are going to discuss about the factors of multimedia development. We know that multimedia is now very advanced. It's able to bring along to transfer multimedia components that consist of animation, video, in which the file is very huge. Okay? So what are the factors for multimedia development? Number one is price. It is a very big factor. Now everything is affordable. If many years ago we have to pay up to 5,000 ringgit for a PC, right? If you still remember. But now no longer. We can have it at, for example, 1,000 ringgit. We can have a multimedia PC at 1,000 ringgit, which is very cheap. Because with multimedia PC, you can produce many things. Okay? And similarly, software are also getting very cheap, cheaper and cheaper. And this enables everyone to produce multimedia products. Okay. Then we have factor on technology capacity. Previously, a computer could save a small number of documents. Now, things are too different. Graphics, images, animations, video, everything could all be saved in a PC, could all be saved in a portable storage media, right? Storage devices. Especially now we have cloud computing that enables us to save it on the cloud and we go everywhere. We don't have to carry. But we can still access to our documents. This is very advanced. This is a very, very magnificent factor. Besides that, the development and availability of development tools is also very, very influencing. Previously, developing a video was very, very difficult. Now it gets very easy, in which everyone can do it. More importantly, various tools are now available for the development. They are cheap. In fact, some of them are freely available in the internet. So this really enables everyone to develop. And in terms of easy, if you can compare between the old video software, for example, multimedia software with the latest one, you can see the difference. For example, making up a video using Movie Maker, very easy. Everyone can do. Okay, for the purpose of learning, there are many video casting, screencasting available for everyone to come up with materials on the internet, free, so everyone can use and do. Okay, so this enables everyone to actually come up with their own multimedia products. Besides that, the increased usage of computers is also tremendously influencing people to come up with multimedia products. The use of computers have been very diverse. You can imagine what computers were used 10 years ago. And now, it is very different. From doing word processing, to calculating, to communicating, to collaborating with our friends in different countries. In fact, people just use a PC. A PC is a small device, right? So we can collaborate, we can communicate with people in different continents. This really enables everyone to develop multimedia products. Also, the advancement of internet is significantly influencing. Previously, we could use the internet only for searching for information or emailing for specific purposes. Now, can you imagine what we can transfer on the internet? Right? I'm sure you have transferred a video to your friend or to your family member, or if you relate your learning process in your university, for example, you have submitted your assignments through multimedia email, right? Have you also collaborated with your friends in real time? Okay? In, for example, your YouTube or what, Facebook and Twitter, imagine what Instagram can do for you, right? This is very advanced. And in teaching and learning process, if you have come across Prezi or something, it enables you to collaborate with your friends, with your peers, with your lecturers or teachers in real time. You don't have to get any extra feature, any extra peripherals for you to do this. No, just the existing ones you can already do. So this enables you to come out with multimedia products. Besides advancement of mobile technologies. Mobile technology is now very, very advanced. I'm sure you can still recall when you were using your 3310 Nokia handphone, right, where we were only able to send SMS. But now, your mobile devices can do a lot. You can do planning, you can do communicating, you can do collaborating, you can do video editing, you can do transferring and everything using your mobile device. Just one single mobile device, and you can do almost everything, right? So, children age 12, for example, can already produce their own video. This is amazing. And also the wearable technology is also influencing what we can do with multimedia. Okay? This is about what multimedia can do. Very advanced. But if we want to do this, of course, we have to research into it. Okay? Now we want to discuss some areas that you can research in. And these are very dynamic areas and very, very interesting to explore. You have to explore. Then only you can feel the oomph. Because if you just listen and you do nothing, you will not be feeling it, right? Number one, assistive computing, assistive contents. We have been researching for normal people. How about people with disabilities? Right. When we talk about disabilities, there are various forms of disabilities. Visually impaired, hearing impaired, or learning difficulties or physical disabilities. They need special approach. They really, really need special approach for them to be able to use computers. We have to really care of them because in future, we believe that many of things will go virtual, will go digital. So if we don't research for their needs, they may not be able to use computers. So we have to be worried about this. So now this is one of a very big area to research in. Also virtual environment. Virtual environment is now very advanced. It enables people to view things in virtual form. You imagine, I'm sure you have seen on TV something that is projected into the real situation. We call that one augmented reality, right? So it enables us to learn about something, know about something in virtual representation. But it is half true. Sounds complex, but it's interesting. That is why you have to research in. And also, in entertainment and games. Oh, now people learn using games. Because children are now very close to technologies. And they are, many of them actually, are very much into games. So we cannot ignore that. If we cannot ignore them, we cannot ignore this. We have to take this as a challenge researching on how games can be utilized by children to a good side for good benefits, right? As well as video and emerging technologies and legal and ethics, and there are many, many more areas that we can research in. Okay? Of course, legal and ethics is very important. In anything that we do, especially when we go digital, you believe me, when we go digital, there are many more crimes coming up. So in that case, we have to really research in legal and ethics for virtual, for digital environment. This is very important. Okay? So students, I'm addressing here some of areas for you to research in. There are many more. While you read from the internet, from the book, while you speak with the society, you will discover that there are many more areas that you can research in. Okay? So never give up. This is very important. And I hope you one day will be a very good researcher in multimedia. Okay? So thanks for watching. And before we end our discussion, okay, here are some examples of research areas that you can venture into. Before we end, I would like to recap again what we have discussed. Number one, we discussed about the factors that led to multimedia development. That includes price of technology, technology capacity, advancement of the internet, and advancement of mobile technologies. Besides, we also discussed about some areas that you can research in. In making multimedia beneficial to humankind. There are two learning outcomes in this video. Okay, so I'm happy to see you again in our next video. Bye-bye.